Alright, so now let's cover texture. I think I lost a good year of my life once with texture, so just be careful. This is a really deep rabbit hole you're going to get into. So texture is kind of like you can collect a million textures and use one, but you'll still want to collect more. So I'm just warning you, it's a good gateway drug. Alright, so to get started with texture, let's go and make a new texture. And then go down here. And let's go to the type. Let's start out with clouds. It's a safe gateway drug. Okay. Then for the stroke value, we want anchored. Alright, so with just this on, okay, we just get machine generated noise. Okay, and if you settle that down just a little bit, it's a little bit better. If you come over here, change the size up, you'll get more of a subtle noise. Easy. Okay. And then out of these two right here, let's see how to explain that. So it drives down the depth value of it, so you'll get a little bit more artifacts and smaller details. This right here, yeah, how to describe Nabla? You can't. What's nice about this, it generates a million different variations just by this, and you could be in here for days. Okay, so this is all based upon the fall off too, by the way. So if you go over to your fall off and choose something else, let's say that sharp, you're going to get a whole different look for this. With a really big drop off. And if you want something like sphere, you can get kind of like a pancake that sits on the surface. Alright, sweet. So why is this such a gateway drug, right? Because you only got this? It's because you can use any texture in the world with this. So you can drag a texture in from, let's say, the internet and then mount it in here. So under texture, you get these textures, you got this, but if you go to image or movie, you can now open any texture from the internet or any picture that you take with a camera. So that's why it gets huge. Cool. Alright, so I think that's going to cover. I'd rather do this via hands-on than just kind of show you the technical aspects of things. So I'll leave it up to you to explore the fact that you can bring in a texture from here, from the internet, and play around with what that does.